gosh, see that's a rockfish probably. Right there in the mouth again. I'm gonna stop paddle and throw this guy out. That happens an awful lot too. Yeah, that wind stops me pretty quick now. I gotta. Does he get a fish already? As soon as it hit the water. Hey everybody, I'm Chris, and this is my channel, Chesapeake Chris. Thanks so much for stopping by. This week's video I actually made late last summer, and once I was retired, I was fishing almost every day. So I had a lot of videos, and this is one of the videos that didn't make the cut last year. I kept it in reserve. I figure it's always good to have a couple in reserve to release over the winter when, you know, I'm probably not going to do any kayak fishing. So hopefully you'll stick around and enjoy it. It's 6:30 in the morning, 80-degree water, pretty humid this morning, probably about 74 degrees. It's also high tide right at 6:30, so I came to a different launch today. We got the chicken foot on and the purple chatterbait, and we're going to troll around out here and try and locate some rockfish. I think he already hooked a little perch. If he did, at least had to get the skunk out of the yak. Yes, he did. Purple chatterbait again. He's average. He's not great. He sure has got a lot of energy, though. I'll tell you that much. He's average. May hook one when I stop paddle and throw this guy out. That happens an awful lot too. Yeah, that wind stops me pretty quick now. I gotta. Does he get a fish already? As soon as it hit the water, I may have just lost him. I think I just lost him. No! As soon as it hit the water. Now it's disappointing that I lost him. He had a fish already. I'm going to try and troll back in this channel right now because it's less grassy over here on the left, generally. So. Oh my gosh, see that's a rockfish probably. Right there in the mouth again. That ain't no perch, I don't think. I don't think that's a perch. I think that's a rockfish. He's up at the surface. I think that's a rockfish. Personally do. He's not fighting near as bad now. He'll probably really start fighting once he sees the kayak. Got him on a chicken foot. Try and get him in here and net him. There we go. See, it worked. I can get my net ready right away. And I got rid of the jinx. Now we got to troll back out through there. He's not real big, but he's not real big. No, I caught him on the purple chatterbait. He's pretty spunky, I'll say that much. He's not, I mean, you know, he was fun to catch. I could tell it was a rockfish. He's 16. He's about 16. So, see, that was a lot of fun. That's probably a perch. Not what we want. not really what we're looking for right here. We're looking for a school 16-inch rockfish. He's just an average guy. Well, today definitely started out better. That's good. Ooh, I don't know, whatever it was, I lost him. It was probably a perch. That's a stupid perch. Boy, once again, I was hoping I found that rockfish school again. I see that pole bend like that. Come here, fella. What? I can't grab my line because every time it gets close to me, you wiggle. Well, I'm catching fish at least. He's average. Not really buggering out the old purple chatterbait, but I'm going to keep it on. It's still usable. So I may have to get into the old box and see if I got another purple body for the day is up. Gosh, there's none. I ain't getting my freaking rod in the water. Perch must be back here stacked up, man. I can't even get my chartreuse chatterbait in the water. Once again, the purple chatterbait is just killing them today. I think I caught every fish except one on this. I think I caught one on the chicken foot. He's kind of small. Okay, let's see if we can get going again and get the chicken foot in the water. Seems to be difficult doing that, so yeah, there's always I can get away from it. Oh, I don't know what that is. It fights like a really big perch or a little rockfish. I still didn't get my chartreuse one in the water. It's a perch, I think. He's not even that big. I mean, he's fat. These perch are eating good. I catch a lot of fat ones here lately. Last week or two. He's fat. Well, once again, if you can keep the thing out of the perch's mouth, you may be able to catch some rockfish, but like a bat out of hell. Okay, at least I finally hooked something. Oh my God, it's kind of pulling my drag too. Oh my God, that's fighting like a rockfish. Yes, it is. It's fighting like a rockfish. And it's a really small one. Jesus. See, even these small ones, you can tell. I was like, man, see, I hate these though. Because this is what they do. They don't stop. You gonna stop now? They just do not stop wiggling, man. There, see? He's just a little guy. Gosh darn it. At least he's another rockfish. I don't know. I'm not going back through and trying to catch more of them. Oh yeah, I love this. Look at that haze coming in. You can't hardly see the island anymore. It's getting all washed out by all that fog. I don't know why, but I like it. I almost feel I need to check that purple one now, which means I got to reel in the chicken foot, and I just threw him out. He's got a fish already. So that's a good reason to reel him in and then check the purple one. He's a little guy. He was hungry. He's just a little guy. It's almost like there's another fish already. Seriously, are they going to start biting again now? Man, if that's another little rockfish, that means the school was moving this direction, because I did not go back through where I caught him. But it's not, it's a perch. He's just a tiny perch. I didn't get my chicken foot in the water.
and I'll see you on the next video.